From the box office settings section of your dashboard, choose Payment Systems from the side menu. If you can't see Square, click the button marked More Options, including PayPal, Square and offline payments. Next, select the button marked Connect a Square account. You'll be taken to a Square page and then you'll be asked to connect your account. Once you've connected your account, you'll be directed back to Ticket Tailor. You'll then be presented with a pop-up to choose whether you want to use Square for all new events and any existing ones. You'll also see your default Square location. This must match your event currency. To connect your payment processor to your event, head to your event and click Edit Event and Tickets. Scroll to the bottom of your event page. Select the checkbox for your chosen payment method where it says Customer Payment Method. The payment methods you select will show for your buyer on the checkout page when they buy their tickets.